choreographed by Niels Poulsen. It is a 48 count 2-wall high improver level line dance with tags on the ends of walls 1, 3, and 7. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag and where it happens, and then we're going to go through and do 8 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn train wreck. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to stomp forward with our right foot, stomp your left foot next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot. We're now going to do a Monterey quarter turn, pointing your right toe to the right side, slightly angling your body to the left. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, turning on the ball of our left foot and stepping our right next to our left. You're now facing 3 o'clock. You're going to point your left toe to the left side and step your left next to your right. You're now going to take your right heel and place it forward, and you're going to hook your right heel up to your left shin, making a figure 4 with your right knee. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, you're doing your stomp forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to tap your left toe behind your right. You're going to step back with your left and kick your right foot low and forward. We're now going to do a right lock, step back, stepping back with your right foot, cross your left over your right, step back with your right and hold. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our heel hook. You're stepping forward with your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Section 3, we're going to do a back mambo half turn. So we're going to rock back with our left foot, recover forward onto our right. You're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and we're going to hold. We're now going to do a back mambo quarter turn. So we're going to rock back with our right foot, recover forward onto your left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 6 o'clock, and you're going to hold. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our right lock, step back, facing 3 o'clock, weights on your right foot. You're going to do your mambo half with a hold. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Section 4, we're now going to rock our left foot behind our right, recover forward onto our right foot and step your left foot to the left side and hold. You're now going to rock your right foot behind your left, recover forward onto your left foot and step your right foot to the right side and hold. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our mambo quarter turn, so we're going to rock back with our left. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Section 5, we're going to cross our left behind our right, step your right foot to the right side, and then cross your left over your right. And as you cross over, you're going to sweep your right from back to front. We're now going to cross our right over our left, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, and sweep your left from front to back. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just finished our rock back side, weights on your right. You're going to do your behind side cross sweep. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 6, in our final section of the dance, we're going to cross our left behind our right, step your right foot to the right side, and then step your left foot forward, and we're going to hold. You're now going to do a rocking chair forward with your right foot. So rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just swept. For 8, you're doing your behind side forward. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your stomps forward. So it's stomp, stomp, Monterey quarter turn, heel hook, step, tap, back, kick, back, lock, back, hold, mambo half turn, hold, mambo quarter turn, hold, rock back side, hold, rock back side, hold, behind side cross sweep, cross side behind sweep, behind side forward hold, and your rocking chair. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your stomps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. You will dance that every wall because it does not have any restarts. But let's talk about the tag. The tag is going to happen 3 times in this dance, and it's going to be each time you are facing the back wall. So wall 1, you'll finish the front, come to the back, add on your tag. You'll then dance wall 2 all the way through, which is our back wall, coming back to the front for wall 3. Dance wall 3 all the way through, add on your tag. You'll then dance wall 4, wall 5, and wall 6 all the way through without any tags. When we come back to the front wall for the 4th time, you're going to add that tag on at the end of it, and then you'll dance the rest of the dance through without worrying about anything. I'm going to turn around and face the front so that you can see what the tag looks like, and then we will practice it to the back. Weight is on your left foot. We would have just finished our rocking chair. Our tag is 16 counts. It's going to return us to the wall that we are facing every single time we do it. Section 1 of our tag, we're going to do a right heel grind, quarter turn, rock back, recover. So you're going to take your right heel, place it forward, putting weight onto your right heel. You're going to rotate your toes from left to right, making a quarter turn over your right shoulder, and then recover back onto your left. We're now facing 3 o'clock. You're going to rock back with your right and recover forward on your left. We're now going to repeat that. So we're going to take our right heel, place it forward, putting weight onto your right heel. You're going to rotate your toes from left to right, making a quarter turn over your right shoulder and recover back onto your left. Then rock back with your right foot and recover forward on your left. So let's try that with some counts, doing your heel grind. Weights on your left, heel grind with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, in our final section of the tag, we're going to do a right lock step forward, stepping forward with our right foot. Bring your left foot behind your right. Step your right foot forward and hold. We're now going to step forward with our left and do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 12 o'clock, and then you're going to step forward with your left and hold, and that is the hold tag. So let's try that with some counts, doing your lock step with your right. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. And then you'll continue on with the next wall after that, every single time that you do the tag. So now let's practice the tag all the way through to the back. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts, just so that you can practice where it happens. Weight is on your left foot. You just finished your rocking chair. You're going to do your heel grind, quarter turn. Heel grind, quarter, rock back, recover. Heel grind, quarter, rock back, recover. Step, lock, step, hold, step, half, step, hold. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that left foot facing 6 o'clock. Heel grind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 8 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the tag into the next wall each time it happens. Weight is on your left foot. We're going to start with our stomps forward. So it's stomp, stomp, Monterey quarter, heel hook, step, tap, back kick, back lock, back, hold, mambo half, turn, hold, mambo quarter, turn, hold, rock back, side, behind, side, cross, sweep, cross, side, behind, side, forward, rocking chair, do your tag, heel, grind, rock back, recover, heel, grind, rock back, recover, step, lock, step, hold, step, half step, start over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, stomp, Monterey. Heel hook, step, tap, back kick, back lock, back hold, mambo half turn, hold, mambo quarter turn, hold, rock back side, hold, rock back side, hold, behind side cross side behind sweep, behind side forward, rocking chair, do your tag, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, start over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, stomp, Monterey, heel hook. Step, tap, back kick, back lock, back hold, mambo half turn, mambo quarter turn, rock back side, behind side cross sweep, cross side behind side forward, rocking chair stomps, stomp, stomp, heel hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, stomp, stomp, Monterey, heel hook, step, tap, back kick, back lock, back, mambo half turn, mambo quarter turn, rock back side, behind side cross side behind side forward, and your rocking chair last tag, heel grind, rock back, recover, heel grind, rock back, recover, step, lock, step, step, half step, start over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Your final wall will end facing the front. You'll be doing the back. You're going to dance the first 43 counts, so that means you're just going to leave off your rocking chair, and you'll do your behind side forward, and that is how you will end the dance. So you'll be doing the whole back wall pretty much, except for your rocking chair to end. So you would come to the front with your mambos, and then do your rock back side. You're going to do your behind side cross side behind side forward, and that will be your ending of the dance facing 12 o'clock. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so that you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn train wreck. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Don't like to see me standing around. Feel like I've been shot and didn't fall down.